Few weeks ago, we traded this bear flag forex trading pattern per our textbook trendline breakout strategy. Here we have the same pattern show up again on the same pair. You can Google bear flag trade strategy. It's a 95% winning formula. The bears literally came out this week. Here's a disclaimer, it's required by law. We enter all trades with risk. We're going to show you how. Let's get to it. Hi there, traders. I just thought I would share this beautiful trade from last week with you. Last week's date being, it's October the 5th, okay? This is YouTube, so by the time you get this video, it could be a month, it could be however long. So last week being October, that's better. October the 5th and around that day, okay? The trade we are looking at is the New Zealand CAD. It's a beautiful bear flag. We traded this bear flag before, did the whole video on it, the whole 9 years, remember, the whole 9 yards, sorry. Remember we said what goes in is what will come out. And then we've had this setup since then. Again, trend line break, pullback. Okay. Sometimes you don't really get the pullback. Look at this one. Trend line break. Well, all right, that's a little pullback, but you cut it there. All right. Anyway, so there you are. Just stupendously beautiful, altogether predictable. We traded. We caught this piece, and let me just show you something about this pattern. Sometimes it comes with trading whereby you get a pattern, and the pattern is part of a bigger pattern, okay? In this case here, have a look. Here's the little section that we are focused on, okay? This here, right? There's the flag, and then that's the break of the flag. Okay, fine. But notice something else is happening. Could likely end up us doing a video on this. Is this situation here. Boop, 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 boop. Can you see that, guys? It's called a head and shoulder pattern. There's a shoulder, there's the head, there's the shoulder. That's the neckline. Break the neckline. What's your expectation? Well, what goes in here is what you're expecting to come out there. Okay. So just wanted to point that out to you guys that, yeah, we have a head and shoulders pattern right here, break a neckline. So this piece is what we're expecting here. So this move potentially go down there. So how do we trade this a beautiful move? Oh, one other thing as well. Let me just share with you. A bear flag, what goes in must come out. Typically, it will retrace to about the per my fib is a 38.2. Some people say the 61.8. Depending on which way around your fib is, it's the same thing, right? And so, I mean, often I look at 0.5. So this has a potential of being a 210 pip trade. I will let you know I took profit here. I'm quite happy with 100 pips. More than happy. Okay. That's the basic setup. How we traded it was very simple. Okay. We dropped to the 15-minute chart. There's a trend line. There's the break. That's the bigger fib right there. And then we just fibbed it here. You can do the color change on your fib. So let me just do that. So we've got a bigger fib on there with what our expectation is. We're looking for the next setup. And then we see a setup come. So obviously we're in. Okay. Let's do it pink. And then here we have it. Break of the trend line, fib, pull back. Here's our target 1. Here's our target 2. Very simple. Let's do it together. It's good practice, right? As we put the lipstick on together, we're learning the strategy. So this will be entry number 1, 2. Okay. Pull back entry number 1. This is getting easier and easier. Pull back entry 1. Okay. 1. This is getting easier and easier to do, guys, because we're doing the same thing every time. It's textbook. Target. We got target 1 there. I mean, seriously, you got to realize this is a family home. So when you hear the family screaming in the background, turn the lights off or whatever else it is. You know what I mean? Maybe I have to build a soundproof room. Who cares? This is just real, man. Traders trade from home, and that's what we do. Okay, that's all there is to it. There's no fancy fluff and all the rest of it. We roll out of our bed and we trade. Target 1, target 2. So in this case, here you are, guys. Look, 60 pips. Beautiful. In light of the bigger strategy, so that would be a simple trend line break, just the basic format. But in light of the bigger strategy, this is additional teaching here, guys. In light of the bigger strategy, we altogether anticipated that the trade will go further, okay? And of course, we treated it as such, and we did get a little more profit. But either way, the point of the matter is that the strategy here works. It's something that we use time and time again, okay? Down here, you are above 100 pips. And we know that it could continue to go further. So, you know, if we see another trend line break, you know, price comes down here, we'll be in again. Look, the strategy works time and time and time again. And we're just happy to be able to share it with you guys. You know, these trades that happen on a consistent weekly basis. We're hopeful that you're finding some benefit from these videos. Please like, comment, please share it. You know, forward it to a friend or family member. Let them see what's going on in the market and the potential opportunities that are presented. And do share. Do subscribe. You know, and yeah, I appreciate your comments because it does let me know, you know, that the videos are being appreciated, and of course, it gives me the encouragement to do more videos. Thank you for your time, guys, and we look forward to the next recording. Speak to you then. Bye-bye.